知ってるね。
I was watching the traffic, so when you cross, no problem. Cool, right?
This is for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're
You
welcome.
don't need to do that.
No problem.
Why you do that?
It's the office.
Oh my goodness, I'm so grateful. You make me almost cry, man. 11 years and 4 months of Uber. The first time I get a gift from my passenger.
Really?
First time.
Wow.
That's why I said I almost
Oh no.
felt emotion, man.
No.
And it's recording right here.
Huh?
I'm recording right here.
Oh.
I swear, man, this is the first time. Okay, yeah, first time, 11 years and 4 months working, I got a gift from a passenger. Can you believe that?
Enjoy. It's
Thank you so
nothing.
much. Thank you so much.